Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to read another part of the lesson, that is the making of national movement from 1870s to 1947. So today we are going to discuss about Rowlatt Act of 1919. So first of all, why Rowlatt Act was passed? What was the main reason behind this? The main reason behind this was to curb national movement. Remember, to curb national movement. Rowlatt Act of 1919 was passed. Rowlatt Act of 1919 was passed. To curb national movement, Rowlatt Act of 1919 was passed during the viceroy of Lord Chelmsford. Lord Chelmsford. Okay, during the viceroy of Lord Chelmsford, a committee was formed under Justice Rowlatt, and this committee formed a law, that is Rowlatt Act of 1919. तो इन्होंने एक कानून बनाया और उस कानून का नाम रखा गया Rowlatt Act of 1919. Okay, during the viceroy of Lord Chelmsford, a committee under Justice Rowlatt was formed, and this committee formed a law, that is Rowlatt Act of 1919. So according to this law, what was this law? According to this law, that is Rowlatt Act of 1919, any Indian could be arrested. Any Indian could be arrested without court trial. Without court trial for 2 years. Okay. According to this law, any Indian could be arrested without court trial for 2 years. किसी भी हिंदुस्तानी को अरेस्ट किया जा सकता था without court trial for 2 years. ये जो habeas corpus, there is a term in political science, that is habeas corpus. जो habeas corpus था, it was suspended during Rowlatt Act. Habeas corpus was suspended during Rowlatt Act. First of all, let me tell you something about this habeas corpus. Habeas corpus means to have a body, to release a person who has been detained by another person in a private or public custody. Okay, and this habeas corpus was suspended during Rowlatt Act, and this act created anger among all sections of the Indian society, and this act was totally against the expectations of Indians, as they expected the establishment of a responsible government after World War I. Okay, after World War I, they were expecting responsible government in India. This act was opposed by Indians. तो इस एक्ट को इंडियंस ने अपोज किया, इंडियंस इसके खिलाफ हो गए, एंड गांधी इन प्रोटेस्ट कॉल्ड फॉर नेशन वाइड हड़ताल ऑन 6 अप्रैल 1919. ठीक है, दैट इज जलियांवाला बाग. इसको हम दूसरे टॉपिक में पढ़ेंगे. आई होप Rowlatt Act is clear to all of you. Thanks. Have a nice day.